In this video, we're gonna learn how to fix this kind of suspended account super easily. Without wasting any time, let's get started. We don't have to upload ID or anything. Don't click on Appeal option. Instead, click here, then click on Check My Account. Now click here. We'll see a page like this. Wait 1 minute in this page, then click on the refresh button. Now we have to refresh the page. After refresh, we'll see a page like this. Click on Start Security Steps option. Go next. A captcha will appear like this. We'll need to verify this. Click on this option. Now it will show our account email. We'll have to send a code to our email. Go to your email and grab the code. Copy and paste in Facebook. Then click on the Submit button. Go next. Again next. Keep going next. Here we go. Welcome to Facebook. That was super easy, right?